Welcome. Video creation requires good lighting. Good lighting illuminates the subject well, brings out the skin tones, and gives a smooth texture. A softbox provides a large source of diffuse light. Today, I'm going to show you the construction of a softbox light. I made this out of cardboard. I strive to bring to you DIY and tech videos. So kindly go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and smash the bell icon. Without much ado, I'll show you the construction process. To construct a softbox, you'll need the following: a large sheet of cardboard, silver foil, black chart paper, hot glue gun, fevicol, bulb, bulb holder, wire, tracing paper, Now my face is being illuminated by two soft boxes. The key light softbox is to my right here at a 45-degree angle, and the fill light softbox is to my left over here, slightly lower than the key light softbox. You can see that my face is almost equally lit. There is no other room light right now except daylight. I'm going to show you the effect of putting off these two lights. There is no artificial light now except daylight, which is coming in from a balcony here. There is no other room light right now except daylight. I'm going to show you the effect of putting off these two lights now. I'll show you again the effect of the softbox lights. I'll show you one at first, then I'll switch on the other one. Now I have got just one key light softbox to my right here. It is illuminating the right side of my face. There are some shadows on the left side of my face here. Now I'll show you the effect of the second softbox light. Now I've switched on the second softbox light. It is to my left over here. Now I am recording with just a room light with a little bit of sunlight from the balcony. I incurred the following cost for my softbox. I purchased a Philips LED bulb. So the cost of this Philips bulb was around 300 rupees. I bought a length of wire, 3-meter length, bulb holder, and all that cost me about 50 rupees or so. Then I bought tracing paper for 5 rupees to diffuse the light. Then I used a large cardboard box. I had some silver foil. I purchased a black chart paper roll to line the outside of the softbox. And that's it. I didn't purchase anything more. So the total cost of the construction of a softbox would be around maybe 400 rupees. I also constructed a PVC light stand for this light box. I will show you that in the next video. So I hope you like this video. If you did, kindly consider subscribing to my channel, like it, share it, and smash that bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.